I have ruined many Thanksgivings, I have to tell you, mostly with my cooking. There's one that comes to mind. I was 18 years old. I was a student at the Culinary Institute of America. I thought I was hot stuff. I decided to reinvent Thanksgiving. I made turkey roulade with sweet potato veloute. How awful does that sound? My sister was in tears. I didn't serve Thanksgiving dinner till about 10 o'clock. So with most of my family in tears and starving, I learned that I had forgotten to buy the cranberry sauce. And my family was a big fan of the stuff that came in a can. You know, the kind that still looked like the can when it came out of the can. I completely forgot it was 10 o'clock, there was nowhere to get it. I did have fresh cranberries and I came up with a solution, and this is what it is. Half a bag fresh cranberries. Half an orange cut into chunks. Turns out fresh cranberries make great cranberry sauce too. We sometimes forget because we're so used to the processed foods. Orange and cranberry designed to go together. A teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Half a cup of sugar. This comes together so fast, you're gonna think we use camera tricks. A little bit of pulsing, 20 to 30 seconds. Let's add a little bit of warm water. What you're looking for is for the cranberries and the orange to blend together, turn into a puree, and turn into something that looks like cranberry sauce that you can serve with all the love in your heart. And it's done. The good news about this cranberry sauce is the more it sits, the better it gets. Now, it may not look like the cranberry sauce that comes out of a can. I'm sorry, it looks like fresh cranberry sauce, but I trust that you trust me when I tell you, when you serve this alongside your gravy, your stuffing, your turkey, it's gonna do the job of cranberry sauce, which is to serve as a sweet and sour condiment to offset the rich flavor of turkey and gravy. Let's give it a taste. So delicious. So delicious, you're gonna wonder why you ever bought pre-made cranberry sauce ever in your life. This stuff is the bomb and should be the new cranberry sauce in your life. I did make my sister cry that night. She was so upset. I made them wait all day for turkey roulade with sweet potato veloute.